Hey, what's up YouTube? You're watching Ready Set Drone, and today we are in beautiful Central Park in New York City. We are here for the Mavic 2 launch event that DJI just put on yesterday.
We asked content creators what they wanted most. A more versatile camera that broadens the variety of creative shots that can be captured. Better flight performance to fly faster and longer. And an improved obstacle sensing system to let you focus more on capturing the perfect shot. The ask was simple: improve everything about Mavic Pro.
If you are wondering about the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom, go check out the review and let me know what you think in the comments. Next thing I wanted to talk about real quick was something I mentioned in an Instagram post a while back, and I think it's died down a bit, but it's been really a pain for me. There have been pictures of me and some videos that I had produced for Ready Set Drone that have been used for a fake company. It's a real company, I suppose, but they're selling fake Mavics online for like 60 bucks. If you see an ad with my picture in it, it's fake. Don't click on it. Don't buy that drone. They totally use that without my permission. But I've looked into what can be done about it. There's not much I can do about it as far as stopping them from doing it, but I can stop you from clicking on it and getting a fake drone that isn't going to be anything like a real Mavic. So if it looks too good to be true, it probably is. So the really important thing I want to talk about is the subscriber of the month for Ready Set Drone. Subscriber for this month is Steve Carpenter. Steve, I've seen you putting a lot of cool comments down in the comment section. I've seen you looking at a bunch of the drone channels and watching Ken Heron's live show and other drone channels and supporting them. I really appreciate that. And for that, I'm going to be sending you some goodies. I'm going to be sending you a t-shirt, be sending you a drone, and I'll even send you the DJI swag box that I got at the event, which is full of stuff that is DJI branded. I won't get into it, but it's cool stuff. So I'll contact you via email, get your address, etc., and send that off to you. Congratulations and thanks for being our subscriber of the month. So that's it. There's the updates on Ready Set Drone. If you like this video, I hope you'll give it a like, and if you want to know more about drones and fun RC stuff, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. We really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time on Ready Set Drone.